Wow, so we just got word that the baby ducks arrived. Perfect timing because, let's see if I can do this right. There it is. Their duck shelter has just been completed. So I'm going to the post office right now, and they just finished our roof, so the timing couldn't be better. Let's go see what they look like. Boy, I gotta tell you, I'm a little nervous. I'd be lying if I didn't say that I wasn't really apprehensive or nervous or having a whole bunch of mixed feelings about this. I don't know if I'm ready to become a dad again. These ducks are gonna be in our lives hopefully for 7 years. It's just amazing, and I'm a little nervous about it, but you know, I'm excited too. Here he goes, my co-pilot. What a cute little guy. But I gotta concentrate on the road. Let's get them home safe. They actually have the yolk that's in the eggs in their body. So for 48 hours, they can actually live based on that yolk. But it's important to get them home, get them under some heat. They've been through so many changes of weather, changes of temperature. They really need to get into a stable environment, and that's what we need to provide for them. Get them acclimated to that food and water. I'm gonna let Preston take a quick look, and then I'm gonna show you guys. All right. 1, 2.
I think.
Whoop.
Did they have any mom?
Well, we're their mom and dad. We gotta do the water part first, which is basically I hold them here, and that's water, and that's food. Okay? Water. Food.
And then water.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to scare you. I think you just peed on me. Water.
He really just peed on you?
Food. There we go. Huh?
Yeah.
I think they're at it. Look at that.
Yeah.
Boy, they take to it like ducks to water.
I'm glad that we have our little ducklings.
Yeah. The water has electrolytes in it. That'll help them. And the food is right here. This one's already starting to eat. And it's on this whole area because when they eat and drink, they go back and forth and poop. So they're going to make one heck of a mess. All in all, day one went well. They learned to eat, they learned to drink, they were able to poop really well, which is important. And I think on day 2, we're going to take them for a little bit of a swim.